"I'll do it tomorrow." It's a simple phrase, but it has ended more dreams than failure ever could. We all have grand plans, but today quietly slips away while we make promises to tomorrow. This is the story of a young man who finally realized that tomorrow is a lie we tell ourselves, and that true change only has one starting point: today. In a sun-drenched village, there lived a young man named Rohan. His mind was a treasure chest of dreams. He wanted to start his own shop, learn to play the sitar, and build a comfortable home for his aging parents. But Rohan had a silent enemy, the comforting trap of later. When his mother asked if he'd help repair the fence, he'd say, "It's too hot today, Ma. I'll do it tomorrow." When a neighbor offered to teach him bookkeeping, he'd promise, "Next week, I'll be ready to learn." His intentions were good, but his actions were always scheduled for a tomorrow that never arrived. Slowly, the people around him began to see his dreams as mere talk, and their belief in him faded. One evening, as Rohan walked home feeling stuck, he saw an elderly stranger sitting by the village well, his face lined with the wisdom of many journeys. Feeling a pull, Rohan approached him. "Sir," he asked, "how does a person truly become successful?" The old man replied in a calm, firm voice, "By doing what the unsuccessful person postpones." Rohan laughed awkwardly. "That's true for me, I suppose. I will start. I really will ... tomorrow." The old man's eyes held Rohan's with a sudden intensity. "Young man, do you know what the most common epitaph is on the gravestones of dreamers?" He paused. "I was going to start tomorrow." The words hit Rohan like a physical blow. He stood frozen. "The sun does not owe you another sunrise," the old man continued softly. "Those who keep waiting for tomorrow are often still waiting when their life is over." He then pressed a small, folded piece of paper into Rohan's hand. "Do not open this until you are truly ready to change your life." And with that, he left. Days passed, but the stranger's words wouldn't leave Rohan alone. They echoed in his mind, chipping away at his excuses. Finally, one morning, he unfolded the paper. It contained just 2 words: "Start now." A fire ignited within him. That very day, he didn't make a plan for tomorrow. He picked up a hammer and fixed the broken fence. He went to the field and worked until his muscles ached, planting the seeds he had been putting off. The satisfaction was immediate and profound. He began to practice the sitar for just 15 minutes every single night, no matter how tired he was. He stopped waiting for the perfect time to start his business and began by simply selling his family's extra vegetables at the market. Months turned into years. Rohan's fields became the most fertile in the region. His small market stall grew into a thriving general store. His sitar music became a beloved feature at village gatherings. When young people asked him the secret to his transformation, he no longer spoke of grand plans. He simply said, "I stopped waiting for tomorrow to become the person I could be today." The bridge to your dreams is built brick by brick, and you only get the bricks by acting now. You can't cross a bridge you never build.